We're going on vacation! Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. If there is one thing that gets me excited in life, it's definitely going on a little trip. And I'm especially excited about this trip because if you've been following me for long enough, you would know that I am Swedish and I've lived in Sweden and all of that. But I have never been to the capital, Stockholm. Now you could think like, well, if you don't travel that much, like, that's totally normal. But the thing is, I travel a lot and I've lived in Sweden, I've lived in Hong Kong, in Luxembourg, in France. Like, I've been in a lot of places. So the fact that I haven't been in Stockholm is just like random. But that will soon be happening. So today I just want to do a little packing, a little prepping for my trip. Let me know if you are team packing last minute before your trip, or are you someone that's like packed and prepped like a month before your trip. I'm usually the person that will pack my bag maybe even on the same day as my flight, but that changes today as well because it is now Thursday. No, we are Friday and I leave on Monday, so I'm definitely feeling organized. I just realized that I haven't even like shown you my outfit today. My little bow top is from H&M. I wore it all summer long last year, so probably will be doing that again. And then my Halar jeans, so comfy. Plus a little pair of flip-flops because like I said, it's boiling out here, but in Stockholm it's not gonna be as warm, which is so sad. I almost forgot to have coffee today. Like, I love coffee, but like I am also a person that will completely forget about its existence. I only ended up getting 4 things. Since I got this like travel container thing, I was like, I already have a lot of skincare ingredients and products, so I'm just gonna put them in here instead of just buying the mini version. But I did get a mini day cream because first of all, I'm running out of mine, one, and second of all, I feel like day creams, I just prefer having the mini version. So this is just a Nivea one. And then I got a mini deodorant, the Dove one. This is like the invisible one. I love this one. And I also ended up getting a little pack of gum. We want some good smelling breath, right? Especially after like drinking coffee, for example, which I'm sure I will be doing a lot in Sweden. Swedish people are coffee addicts. It's actually crazy. As a true fashion girly, I do love putting together a good outfit, but when I pack, I so often will just take lots of stuff from my closet, put it in a bag, and think like, okay, well, this should kind of go together, like this will make a few outfits, let's hope for the best. And then when I'm actually on my vacation, I feel like all my outfits look boring, there's nothing fun happening, they're all kind of similar. I'm not feeling super stylish, not gonna lie. So today I really want to try and figure out some outfits that I can wear on this trip. I'm going for 5 days, but like 2 of them are kind of travel days, so I want to say like really 3 full days, so I need at least 3 good outfits. And if you don't already know, Stockholm, at least for me, is in fashion, all the like cool girlies are. So for me, I really feel like, okay, I need to be looking cool for these few days. And I have a few items in mind that I want to bring with me and that I want to style. So the first item I have in mind is also a very recent purchase. And that is a pair of yellow long Bermuda shorts. I love the color of them. They really are in like a buttery light yellow color. So they're not super colorful, but still. And I wore them the other day with a skinny black belt, which looked really nice because especially here they have the 2 belt loopholes. Skinny black belt. And then I'm thinking maybe a black top to go with that. Like this super simple black long sleeve top. It has a little bit of ruffling, I don't know if you can see that, at the neckline and also on the sleeves a little bit too. Simple, sleek, but also like mysterious and like, who is that cool girl over there? To add onto that, I really want to try and see what it would look like with a pair of cowboy boots. I feel like that is definitely the vibe for this trip, is like this right here. But I need to try the shorts and the boots on at the same time just to see what that looks like together, because if it doesn't look good, then maybe I'll go with the outfit that I did last time with the shorts with just a black pair of ballerina shoes. Keep it simple, keep it cute. You guys, if you saw my mid-year reset, you would have seen that I turned a midi skirt into a mini skirt because I thrifted it together with a set. I've been so wanting to wear it and style it, so I just feel like I need to bring it with me on this trip. It's this gray, very office siren vibes skirt. Simple, plain, but it's giving, I feel like this is kind of giving Scandi style a little bit. And then maybe to go with that, a little pop of color, but I still feel like this is, it's very neutral. Like when you see it in real life, it looks so blue on camera, but in real life it's more of a dusty blue color, which could look really nice with the gray. Maybe wear it off the shoulder, or even wear it with I have a little DIY to make a t-shirt look a little more fun. With that, I think we need a very simple, smaller shoe, like not a boot that's so bold. So obviously I've got my trusty ballerina shoes, and I think silver could go nicely with the color tones that we've already got going on. I almost forgot, but I like need to bring a handbag with me too. I don't know what to bring though, because since I have my camera with me, I want a small bag, but a bag that can at least fit my camera and some other stuff in it too. Do I bring a black one, or do I bring my silver? This is my like travel bag. Like it can be transformed into a shoulder bag or a crossbody bag, so it really is easy to use, but I don't know. Maybe I'll bring multiple bags. New day, which means that we are one step closer to going on our vacation. And what better way to get ready for a little vacation than to do some very extra self-care. Now, make it as extra as you would like, but I'm gonna be going with a hair mask from Garnier. This is the curl restoration one. I have curly hair, for those that don't know, so I'm not trying to kill my curly hair either. A little hair oil from Rituals, and of course, after washing all of that out, taking a nice long everything shower, we're gonna be going in with a face mask. This is from the brand The Mask Doctor, and this is the Cica Face Sheet Mask. Smoothing, calming, helps to minimize inflammation. This is the way I want to feel before going on vacation. The way my curls instantly come back. Jump scare, I have curly hair. I'm actually wearing my curly hair out. But I mean, at least this is proof that the curls aren't dead. The other day when I got my toiletries in like this travel set, put my toiletries in them yet, so I thought we could do that today, as well as go through. I have this little drawer, or I don't know what you would call it, that's filled with a bunch of different testers, but I never use them, and I'm kind of like, wait, perfect occasion to try them out on vacation because they're like in a small format. They don't take up too much space, yet they still have the same functions as like the stuff I would normally use. So I don't know, maybe it's the time to try a new brand out or something. I've already laid out a few of my items that I always use in my skincare routine, both morning and night, to kind of see what I have, what I'm running low on, etc. But I think we should probably start by looking through this random little thing that I have to see what we can actually work with. I already know I have a few little perfumes that are not in your usual tester container. I have like this one right here. It looks so cute. This is a Givenchy one. Also such cute packaging, such a cute bottle. I also painted my nails whilst we're at it. Nails are done. Toenails, I did gel nail polish on my nails. Here I have an anti-aging ampoule booster from Rituals. I don't really know what that even means. Oh, whoa. That looks so cool. I have multiple of these Sephora moisturizing and refreshing body jellies. That could be quite nice. I mean, I was thinking of maybe putting this in one of my travel containers. This is like a body lotion, body cream that I always use. But then I'm like, could just use these. We've got 2 of these Capture Youth Age Delay Advanced Creams from Dior. I don't know why every single cream that is sold is always anti-age. And I'm like, do I need to already start using that at 22 years old? I don't know. Dior foundation, but I have no idea if this is my shade whatsoever. Probably not. Ooh, a hydrating foaming oil cleanser from CeraVe. I might bring this because this could help with like, removing makeup, and I also don't have much of my micellar water left. Bringing this. Restorative facial cream with shea butter from Sicily, Paris. And then this is some sublimator serum. A lot of serums that like I'm not really sure what they're... Oh, this is for hair. Wait, that's kind of interesting. Oh, and you don't even need to wash it out. You put it on your scalp, massage in gently and style as usual. This is a exfoliating cleanser. That kind of sounds a little bit scary to me personally. As someone that has had a lot of acne and still has a few acne scars, anything that's like exfoliating, I'm kind of like, I don't know about that. Youth Activating Concentrate from Lancome. Very much anti-aging, youth, all that stuff. Like, I don't think their target audience is me. Just looks like a regular cream, I guess. Since we've had the curly hair out all natural all day, I feel like it's had some time to breathe, which means I feel like I can go ahead and straighten it now again. Having straight hair on a trip will make my life so much easier. I'm gonna bring the straightener too. So cut to when my hair is straight. Ta-da! Straight hair, feeling so ready for my vacation. Tomorrow we fly. We have finally come to the point of leaving the house. So just before I leave, I thought I could show you what I have in my little travel bag, or like the handbag that I'll be bringing on the plane. First up, I already have a little hair clip. Let me know if you relate, but having your hair out all the time feels so overstimulating for some reason, so I love having something to put my hair up in. The actual bag, you may have seen it before in my other videos. It's from a brand called Est Studios. It's really practical, but also it's like not too small, but it's not too big either. So really for me, it's the most perfect bag ever. The big pocket, I'm gonna have you guys, my camera. I have a book. This is See You Yesterday. I think I already talked about this book in another video because I'm reading it with my book club, but I think like we low-key all forgot about the book a little bit, so I've been reading other books in between, but I think I'm gonna get back to reading this one and actually finishing it. I have a mini tripod. It's so good. It stretches out and then it has these legs so I can just pop my camera kind of wherever. Really useful. It's from the brand Ulanzi. I got it on Amazon. I can link it in the description down below for you guys. And then I have a pair of sunnies. These are the ones that I have from And Other Stories. These are so lightweight and just easy to throw in a bag, and they look so good, like perfect everyday sunny. So that's everything for the main pocket. I did put some stuff in these pockets too. So in this one I just have my passport and a little purse, and in the other one, I think this other one I like filled it with so random stuff. I have candy, a lip balm, some gum, and my AirPods. I'll also be popping in a little iPad in here. I've also got my little travel outfit on. So we have the top from Stradivarius, I think it is. The trousers from Halara. My shoes are back there, my sneakers, and my denim jacket. And with that, we are ready to go.
De garder votre ceinture attachée car des turbulences imprévues peuvent en effet survenir à tout moment. Soyez prudents en ouvrant les compartiments à bagages. Nous rappelons également que vous êtes à bord d'un vol non-boomer.